Hello students, welcome to KVL's Q Cards YouTube channel. Today I will cover 3 topics on speaking part 1. First one is running, second is chocolate, third is celebrity. Vocab and idioms used in these topics are once in a blue moon, it means almost never. Sedentary lifestyle means a type of lifestyle involving little or no physical activity. Health conscious. It means concerned about how healthy one's diet and lifestyle are. As fit as a fiddle. Healthy. Spacious means having a lot of space. Stone throw away. Nearby. Hale and hearty. It means healthy. Sweet tooth. It means a great liking for sweet tasting foods. Once in a while. Sometimes but not often. Kabhi kabhi. Renowned means famous, and last is imitate. It means copy. Let's start with running. First question is, how often do you go for a run? Okay, there are 3 sample answers. First one is, I go for a run once in a blue moon only. I have adapted a sedentary lifestyle, but I am trying to change it. Or, I go for a run twice a week, that too mostly on weekends, because I usually remain busy on weekdays. Or, as I am health conscious, I go for a run at least 5 days in a week. It really boosts my stamina and helps me in becoming as fit as a fiddle. Next question is, where do you usually go running? There is a spacious park stone throw away from my house. I mostly go there for running. Next is, do you like running? Okay, there are 2 sample answers. To be honest, I like to do yoga rather than running because I can do yoga at home, whereas I need to go outside in order to do running. Or, yes, I love to run in the open air. It is really beneficial for health. Do you think running is a good way to stay healthy? Answer is certainly. It is one of the best ways to be hale and hearty. I believe everyone should run at least once a week. Next topic is chocolate. First question is, how often do you eat chocolate? Okay, there are 3 sample answers. As I have a sweet tooth, I love to eat chocolate now and then. Or I eat chocolate once in a blue moon only because I don't like chocolate much. Or I like to eat chocolate once in a blue moon only because eating chocolate in excessive manner can ruin the teeth. What's your favorite flavor? I mostly like to eat Kit Kat, which comes in one flavor only. Is chocolate expensive in India? No. In India, chocolate price starts from rupees 5. However, I don't think there is an upper limit in cost of chocolate. When was the first time you ate chocolate? Just like everyone, I was a kid when I ate chocolate for the first time. I don't remember that brand though. Is chocolate popular in India? Yes. Many people in India like to eat chocolate of different brands and flavors. Next is celebrity. Who is your favorite celebrity in India? So you can name any celebrity here. XYZ is my favorite. I like his or her expressions when he or she acts. Do you like any foreign celebrity? Yes, ABC is my favorite. He is a renowned singer, dancer, comedian, cricketer all over the world. कोई भी choose कर सकते हो. Would you like to be a celebrity in the future? Yes, I would love to be well known in the world. It's my childhood dream. or no, I just want to be a teacher when I grow up? Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy? Answer is yes. Everyone deserves to live a private life. There are some times when we prefer to be either alone or with family only. Celebrities are also human and feel the same. So, we should respect their privacy. Last question is, how do celebrities influence their fans in India? Many Indians like to imitate their favorite celebrities and always seem ready to do anything for them. So, celebrities greatly influence Indians. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको मेरे स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 सैम्पल आंसर्स का पीडीएफ चाहिए तो मेरे ऐप से आप बाय कर सकते हो। ऐप का लिंक मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स भी हैं, क्यू कार्ड्स का भी है, राइटिंग टास्क 2 का भी है। अगर आपको मेनली सिर्फ पार्ट 1 का ही चाहिए तो वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा। और हाँ, अगर आपने नहीं बाय करना कोई बात नहीं, आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं ताकि आपको मेरी सारी वीडियोस के अपडेट मिलते रहें और आपको नॉलेज वोकैब इडियम के साथ मिलती रहे, आपके स्कोर बूस्ट हो, आपके डिजायर्ड बैंड स्कोर आके आप जल्दी जल्दी अपने फेवरेट कंट्री में पहुंच जाओ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।